Hello, parents and students. One of the biggest concerns for parents during our virtual learning is what if their child misses a live lesson? I am here to ensure you that all lessons are recorded for every subject. In this video, I am going to show you how to access those recorded lessons. Let's say your child misses our 8 o'clock reading live lesson. Your child will go to the reading channel, and in this reading channel is where your child should be going every morning and clicking on for reading to access everything with reading and to access our live reading lessons. Here in the toolbar, you'll find Files and click on it. Once you click on Files, you will come across an actual file that says Recorded Lessons. Once you click on the Recorded Lessons, all lessons are organized into weeks. So it's important to know which week we are in. When you click on that week, it will show you the day of the week and the date. And that's how you'll be able to view our recorded live lessons. It will be like that for every subject. Again, if you missed our math live lesson, you'll click on the math channel, click on Files in the toolbar. You'll see a file that says Recorded Lessons. Again, it is important to know which week we are in, and you'll click on it and it'll have the recorded lesson with the date on it. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact me, and please continue to watch our other Microsoft step-by-step videos.